I'm going to now show you how to make a paper heart by folding paper, and we'll end up with examples like this. We're starting with a square piece of paper. This piece of paper is about 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and the piece of paper I'm using is the same on both sides. If you have a paper that's only coloured on one side, then make sure that the coloured side is facing down, which then will form part of the heart that you can see. So we're going to start by folding the paper. Take the left hand edge and take it over to the right hand side like that, and make a fold down the middle. You can use a ruler to make the fold like that if your hands aren't so good. We're then going to open that piece up. The next fold is to take the bottom edge to the top edge, like so, and make sure that the corners are square. And again, make the fold or the crease along the bottom edge. And again, open the paper up. We're then now going to take the bottom edge and fold it to the middle along that line there. So we take the bottom edge like that, line up the creases and make a fold along the bottom. And we can use our ruler again here, like so. We then turn the piece of paper over and then just flatten it out. We're now going to take one corner, let's start with the left hand corner, and fold it up to the middle. A bit like if you were making a paper aeroplane, like so, and just form the edge like that. Then we're going to do the same with the other side. So we take this point, this corner, and fold it up to the middle, like so, and just use the ruler on that side just so you can see how that's done. Now we'll turn the paper over, and you'll see we've made a little flappy bit there, like an envelope, which will come in useful in a few steps' time. We're now going to take the left-hand edge here and fold it to the middle. Like so. And we're going to repeat on the other side. Take that right-hand edge, fold it over to the middle, and crease the edge. And we can use the ruler again just to make that, both those edges, a very tight crease. We're now going to take the top corner and then fold it into the center again to make a triangle. And we're going to repeat again on the other side. And again, we can use the ruler just to finish those off. Right, the next part of the process is we're going to take this top edge here, this point, and we're going to bring the piece of paper over, and we're going to touch the point on the bottom point there. If I hold my finger like that, you can see that this doesn't fold over very easily, and you're left with these flappy bits here. So what we're going to do is we need to just put our finger in that space there to then fold and create a crease inside that flap, and then we're going to go repeat again on the other side. So finger in there to make the fold, and then finger in the crease there to then make that fold there. And that will allow us then to create what looks like two arrows facing each other. If we put our finger in there, push slightly, and then just fold those two edges down like that. And then again repeat on the other side. So finger in there, just give it a little push, and as you see, it creates two arrows facing each other. And then we can use the ruler just to firm those creases down. And this is where that little envelope that we created earlier comes into it. We take this bottom point here, lift it up, and we're going to put it into that envelope that we created at the bottom there, just like that. And then just smooth it down. Next, we're going to take the top corner and we're going to fold it into the middle, like so. And we're going to do the same, repeat on the other side, corner in to the middle, like so. Again, ruler to make the folds nice and neat. Then we're going to take this top edge here and fold down. And we're going to repeat on the other side. So take the top edge down and you fold it to, there's a ridge line here that you'll be able to feel, like so. Again, you can finish that crease off with the ruler. And that side. And that, when you turn it over, will be your heart. And then you can, just to make it sit flat, just go over the edges with your ruler and we'll give you a nice sharp folded crease.